Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Hibiscus Kombucha. First, you'll need a healthy SCOBY, some strong black tea, sugar, and dried hibiscus flowers. Make sure all your brewing equipment is thoroughly cleaned and sanitized to prevent unwanted mold or bacteria. This initial preparation is crucial for a safe and tasty brew, setting the stage for a vibrant, flavorful beverage you'll love. For your first fermentation, brew 8 cups of strong black tea and stir in 1 cup of granulated sugar until it fully dissolves. Let this sweet tea cool completely to room temperature. Adding a SCOBY to hot liquid can harm it. Gently place your SCOBY and about 2 cups of starter tea into a clean gallon jar, then pour in the cooled sweet tea. Cover the jar with a coffee filter or cloth and secure it with a rubber band, allowing air circulation. Once your first fermentation is complete, typically after 7 to 14 days, taste the kombucha to ensure it has reached your preferred level of tartness. Carefully remove the SCOBY and set aside 2 cups of the finished kombucha to use as starter tea for your next batch. Now, for the second fermentation, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus flowers directly into each clean bottle. Fill the bottles with your kombucha, leaving about 1 inch of headspace, and seal them tightly. During the second fermentation, which usually takes 2 to 5 days, remember to burp your bottles daily by briefly opening them to release built-up carbon dioxide. This prevents excessive pressure and potential bottle explosions. Once carbonated to your liking, transfer the bottles to the refrigerator. This significantly slows down fermentation and chills your delicious drink. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Now, you can savor your refreshing, homemade hibiscus kombucha, a truly rewarding beverage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.